Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how you can upload a video from Capcut to YouTube. So without further ado, let's begin. So now to start, we need to open your Capcut. And then as you can see right here, I've edited a video that I want to upload on YouTube. So first, before we will upload a video on YouTube, we need first to edit this on Capcut. So as you can see right here on the video, I was editing it. And then I want to add a voiceover for my video. So just tap on voiceover right there and then record your voice, or you can add sounds if you want. Now after doing some edit and voiceover, so what I'm going to do now is to export this video so that I can upload this one on YouTube. So to export or to save this video, what I'm going to do is just to tap on this button right here, or this icon right here. This will allow me to save this video. And take note that exporting or editing a video on Capcut is all free. So it is really convenient to use, especially for those who don't have money to buy some editing software. Now after saving our video, what I'm going to do now is to go to my YouTube channel. So open your YouTube channel and then tap on this icon right here. And then after that, just tap on this add new button. This will allow you to upload a new video. And then as you can see right here, there are different types of video or post that you can upload. For example, video, live, or a photo or post. Now just tap on video. And then select the video that you've just saved from Capcut. And then just tap on next. And take note, but before uploading this on YouTube, you will be able to trim this video to make it shorter, and you can also add an effect on this video. After that, just tap on next. Now we will add some details to our YouTube video. For example, our title. Add the title right here. You can also add description. And then after that, just tap on next again. And then just tap on upload video. And take note that when uploading a video on YouTube, you have to remember or to take note that it is important that you have a good internet connection so that you can upload it really fast. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!